Hey guys, this is Joseph from JoseMaster.com and welcome back to another WordPress tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to be covering different WordPress templates, and without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so now before we move on to the tutorial, there's one thing that we need to fix up. So in the index.php, this is going to be our front page. However, different templates such as the Category.php, search.php, they actually default to index.php, and it wouldn't be nice if there's just a slider there and some latest posts. So what we have to do is we're going to make a new file called front-page.php. Now we should be using this as the front page. We'll copy everything from index.php into there. About bed. Copy everything from here to there. And we'll copy everything from blog episode 2 into index.php. And we'll get rid of the template name. So this just makes it a little bit more, I guess, functional. Okay. Now that shouldn't make a difference to your website, so don't worry. Now let's make some templates. So let's start off with the category.php. Click Control N, Control S, and category.php. And also in the index.php, let's just quickly get rid of this loop and change it into the default one. Now we can do this because index.php is the default blogging page, so it doesn't need any helpers. And let's go here. And if. And let's copy everything here into category.php, since category.php is based off index.php. And all we're going to do is just change the title into a function called single cat title. And there's two parameters. The first parameter is the text shown before the title. In this case, showing posts from, and then the title. And the next function is the next parameter is a boolean. In this case, true, because I want it to display as a header, not a string. So save that. Let's go into this category. This is uncategorized, and they're showing posts from uncategorized. So in this case, all of our posts are from uncategorized. Right, guys, so now let's check out the 404.php. Now what the 404.php does is if WordPress can't find a post or a page, it'll redirect to the 404.php. So we're going to go Control N, Control N, Control S, and let's go 404.php. Now for the 404.php, it's just going to be a text label saying you can't find the page. So we're just going to copy it from page.php. So, because there isn't going to be any posts in this page or anything, so we don't need to copy from index.php. So, in the header, we're going to give it a title of page not found. And please search again. Or something like that. And we will also include a search form here, just so that they can search again if they can't find their page. Save it, and now let's give it a page ID or something random. Page not found, please search again, and it'll ask us to search again. So you can see here that the styles are applying to this top search, but not applying to this. So let's do some global styles. Let's find the search here, top search here. And if we refresh the page here, inspect element, and we look here, all of the searches have an ID of search form. So what we can do is, or a class, we can copy the class, and we'll just paste it here. So search form with the dot order not here. And here's something that we have to keep in mind. And we wouldn't replace this one because floating right and having the margin is unique to top search. Save it. And if you refresh, there we go. We get the stylings. So let's go in here and let's surround this in a div. And we'll call this, what should we call it? We'll just call it normal search. Copy that. We will give the normal search a padding of 20 pixels top and bottom and 0 left to right. Here we go. So now we get a little bit of space in the bottom and the top. So that's the 404.php done. Now, one thing we can do here in our blog loop is we can, in this author area, what we can type in here is we can go in this category, then this. So instead of posted, we can go in, and we're going to use a PHP function called the category. And the parameters is basically before and after. In this case, I'm going to use some spaces, like so. And if we refresh the page, there you can see it's in WordPress by admin on the 29th of September 2014. Now we can do this in all of our templates, Control C, put that in full posts, and we'll put that in index.php as well. So right here, save it all. And make sure to do the same thing on single.php. And yeah. So now we have our category, and you can click on the category and it'll go to the category page. We can also do this for tags. So in the edit post section, we can add different tags in this area, this module. So we can add tag 1, tag 2, and tag 3, just for demonstration purposes, and we'll update it. Now in the single.php, you might not see anything different, and we'll add something now. So underneath the content, we'll get a div right here called tags, and a PHP function called the tags, and the parameters is what's the text going to be before you display the tags. So tags equal, and the next parameter is before and after of each and every tag. In this case, just a space and a /, like so. We'll give tags. Let's go into our author. Right here, we'll style the tags, and we'll give a margin of 20 pixels top and bottom, and left and right 0. We will refresh the page here, and there you can see our tags, just like so. So now we'll add that into our index.php as well, in the bottom here. So what we will do, we'll go down here into our tag section in single.php, and we'll put that underneath the content here, in here, and in here. Refresh the page, There we go, tags. So if there isn't a tag, it wouldn't display, so everything's good. Yeah, so that's that. And if we click on a tag, it would once again default into index.php. So let's style the tags, uh, tags.php. Let's make a new file and save it as tag.php. So the tag.php is extremely similar to category.php. So we'll copy everything here into tag.php. And instead of cat, we're going to go tag. And instead of this, we're going to go tag archive from. And we'll save the page, refresh, and boom. So you can see in tag 2 by admin. And yeah. Also, down here when posted, make sure to copy that with the code we inputted before. In this case, here. Copy that, and we'll put that in tag and category. And we'll save it. So let's refresh the page, and there. Remember to include the tags function in the, copy that, this function, in the category.php and the tag.php. We'll save it. And let's go into our category here. And there we go. So finally, we got one more thing to do, and that's the author.php. Let's create a new file and save it as author.php. And we copy everything from category.php again, category.php. And we'll change this title to showing posts from, and we'll add a PHP function called the author, just like so, with no parameters. Save it, and let's go to this author, admin, and yeah, so it says showing posts from admin. And that's it. So in this episode, we covered the category.php, author.php, tag.php, and I think that's it, tag.php. And yeah, so we also did this, tags in posts and categories that can be shown in these, in the single.php and index. So thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. So peace.